Hello everyone, this is me, Ma'am Shawie Vlog, and flexing to you the Punto de Desembarco de Rizal, or the youth landing of the Pidan City. This is a historical landmark in the Pidan City, commemorating the arrival of Dr. Rizal after his exile. The site features a monument to Rizal and is significant for its connection to the national hero's exile and contributions to the community, which included building the town's first water system and developing orchards. The site marks the arrival of Dr. Jose Rizal in the Pidan City, where he was exiled for 4 years. The occasion is marked by a 10-foot monument of Rizal. During his exile, Rizal contributed to the community by building the town's first water system, developing orchards, and draining marshes to combat malaria. So flexing to you the Punto de Desembarco de Rizal.